have come to confirm that that foundation, I intend to build on it with you to take our countries to the next level. Because of the goodwill, Madam President, because of the goodwill you built between our two countries, as I said earlier, trade between our two countries has grown phenomenally. In 1 year, exports from Kenya to Tanzania grew from 31 billion shillings to 45 billion shillings. Trade of goods from Tanzania to Kenya grew from 27 billion shillings to 50 billion shillings. When you and President Kenyatta were working on these barriers that were barriers to trade, many people thought it would benefit Kenya. But today, it has benefited Tanzania more than Kenya. And we are very happy as the people of Kenya that the old feeling that Kenya was benefiting more than Tanzania from trade has now changed. And I think it's now clear to all of us that increase in trade benefits everybody. And I have come here to underwrite that increase in trade is where we want to go. We want to increase our trade between our two countries from now 45, 50 billion Kenya shillings, a total of 90 billion Kenya shillings. We want to double that trade, and it is doable.